All right, blizzard warning for overnight tonight and into Thursday till noon here in the Southern Valley. Conditions are going to be deteriorating as we go mainly through the late night and overnight hours and will last into the morning for the morning commute. That's surrounded by the blue. That's winter weather advisory conditions there. There'll be some snow and blowing snow. Not expecting a lot of additional snow with this system, but it's not only going to bring zero visibilities. Gusts could hit 60 miles per hour. That's going to bring brutal wind chills. We have wind chill advisories, and basically we'll have very low wind chills here in the valley as well. Here's a couple things to keep in mind. Protect your four-legged and furry friends and livestock from those northwest winds and the drifts that will be taking place. Change your travel plans and make sure that you're aware of road closures. Stay up to date with the latest on valleynewslive.com. Any cancellations as well will be updated there throughout the night. Possible power outages cannot be ruled out with gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour. Keep that in mind. If you must travel, first aid kit, something to stay warm. I recommend some candles and lighter to make sure that you can do that. But if you're going to burn anything inside your vehicle, use caution, please. And keep in mind, if you are stranded out in the blizzard, please stay with your vehicle. Do not try to wander off to somewhere close by. Here is a live look right now from our friends at Dakota Magic Casino. The flag's starting to move now as things are beginning to change. It's 11 outside in Fargo, 10 in Moorhead. Temperature still 20 in Jamestown and 14 in Cavalier. Here's a look at what we have going on with the wind across the region. Ahead of the cold front, we have south winds. We can tell where the cold front has passed through. Those winds are westerly, northwesterly, and northerly. And the gusts are beginning to increase to near 40 miles per hour already from Williston towards Minot. But here's where we have that fresh snow on the ground from Devil's Lake through Grand Forks into parts of northwest Minnesota, all the way down to Fargo, as well as the Southern Valley, where there's a good 3 inches of snow on the ground. Here's the location of the front. It's coming with a little snow along the border. Reports of zero visibility from this little band of snow and increasing winds already near Winnipeg. Hour by hour forecasts. We're watching for the yellow arrows. That's gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour, arriving in the Northern Valley first between 7 and 8 o'clock at night, and then pushing into the Southern Valley as we get closer to the 9 to 10 o'clock hour. We could see some additional snow up north, totaling upwards of around an inch. As we go through the overnight, I've paused it at midnight because it looks like brutal winds out there. And this is where we could see some of those peak gusts exceeding 50, maybe even up to 60 miles per hour. Then as we get closer to daybreak, the gustiest of the winds follow that cold front down to the south. And we'll still have very windy conditions with gusts over 30 miles per hour first thing in the morning. Temperatures near 10 below. And wind chills for some near 45 below zero at the bus stop. All day long, brutally cold. Notice it's still windy across Minnesota and the Southern Valley. That wind will gradually taper off from west to east as we go through the afternoon. And then our road crews will have a chance to get out ahead of the situation, although dangerous cold. Actual air temperatures will be dipping down in the teens below zero. So there's a reminder, blizzard warning tonight, eastern North Dakota and the Red River Valley counties of Minnesota. 9 below in Fargo to start the day. Sustained winds at around 20 miles per hour with gusts upwards of 50 as we see those taper off late in the day. Temperatures peaking only at about 3 to 4 below for your afternoon. Closer to 10 below by the international border and no one above zero for the afternoon tomorrow as well. Oh dear is what I say. And Paul uploaded this Amenia, North Dakota photo of snack time for this dough. Let's talk about what follows the blizzard. This lasts into the midday hours on Thursday. Then we dip down to 20 to 30 below across the region. Fargo's coldest temperature this season, 19 below. So the coldest air is on its way. We stay below zero all day Friday as well. Saturday morning, no picnic either with a 20 below reading. We warm up a little bit and then more accumulating snow Sunday into Monday, followed up by another Arctic blast that will be even colder than this one, the way things are looking right now. So keep in mind, we have blizzard conditions tonight. To stay up to date with the latest, you want that weather app. Our website's also updating cancellations as we get them in.
Yep, send us your school closings.
You bet.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
He mentioned the app. Make sure you have that weather app because it's going to allow you to keep up with the weather anytime, anywhere. You'll get the latest forecasts and conditions so you can plan your day. Just search VNL Weather in the App Store and download it for free.
Later